We are going to read from our text today a passage called Megafish Man by Michael Sandler. Connect across texts. Now read about an explorer who works to keep a river ecosystem healthy. The genre of our text today is a human interest feature, and it gives facts about someone. It tells what the person does and cares about. Through a quick picture walk, you can see that we have photographs again. Here's a caption that tells us that in this picture, you can see Zeb Hogan. He's on the left, and he's with a river stingray. Let's go over a couple of the keywords that you're going to need. Megafish Man is a man interested in very large fish. Headed means on his way, and rare means special or unusual. On this page, you can see that we have some more photographs with captions. Here's Megafish, and there's giant skeetfish, giant stingray, giant carp. You can also see that we have a cutout of a map. In the little map, you can see that it's kind of like a globe, and in red it points to Asia. Then the bigger picture is where it's zoomed in on Asia, so you can see part of China, Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, and the Mekong River flows through Southeast Asia. Down here, other words, we have Mekong River. Aquatic ecologist is a scientist who studies water animals and how they live. And then flow means to go. On this page, you can see that we have, it looks like a boat with a fisherman and casting, it looks like he's casting a big net. Some of the words that we need to be aware of are species, which means types. Indication means sign. And thrived means lived well. So pay attention to those words as we read. And then finally on this page, we have this picture with a woman selling fish at the market. Down here, we have this picture. It's people weigh a giant catfish, and there are a few left. Some of our keywords: out of balance means not right. Overfishing means people taking many fish from the river. And then pollution is dirty, and in this case, we're talking about dirty water. Over here, we have this final picture. It's Zeb Hogan right here. Oh, right here. And he's, I think he's right here, excuse me, looking at a stingray, and it was caught by a fisherman. So let's go through it, read. We'll pay attention to our keywords as we are reading today. Megafish Man by Michael Sandler. The telephone rang. Zeb Hogan got the news. A fisherman in Cambodia had caught a giant river stingray. Soon, Zeb was headed there by plane, or on his way by plane. These catches are so rare, so special, I don't want to miss out on any of them, he says. Monsters of the Mekong. Zeb is an aquatic ecologist, and so I can see down here it's a scientist who studies water animals and how they live. He is always searching for megafish. Megafish are aquatic monsters that grow to at least 6.5 feet or 2 meters, or 220 pounds. He studies the megafish that live in the Mekong River in Southeast Asia. So here's our picture that shows Southeast Asia. Many megafish live in this river and the smaller rivers that flow into it or go into it. Why is Zeb so interested in megafish? By studying megafish, we can learn a lot about the health of an aquatic ecosystem. If you still have these giant fish species in the river, or these types in the river, it's a good indication that the river is healthy, or it's a good sign that the river is healthy, he says. For centuries, the Mekong's fish of all sizes thrived or lived well in clean water. There were so many fish, Cambodians often said, where there is water, there are fish. A river in trouble. Today, however, fewer and fewer big fish are found in the Mekong. To Zeb, it's a warning something is out of balance or not right. Overfishing, or people taking too many fish from the river, is one cause of fewer fish. Pollution, or dirty water, is another. Soon there may be fewer smaller fish too. This will hurt people who need the fish for food. So here we have the picture of the woman selling fish at the market, and then down here is where they were weighing that catfish. Zeb wants to make Mekong waters healthy again. In Cambodia, he set up a program, or he made a plan. When fishermen catch megafish, they give them to Zeb. He lets the fish go and tracks their movements or watches where they go. This program benefits or helps both the fishermen and the fish. It also helps Zeb learn how to better protect Megafish and the river so many people and animals depend on or need help to live.